Okay, so I'll be cooking okra soup. So there's the okra on the fire. So as you can see, I just pour a little bit of water, probably 5 teaspoons, because I want it very starchy. So yeah, let's start cooking okra soup. Yeah, I'm going to start from the beginning, so just watch carefully, because my video is not that great. So yeah, I'm trying to do everything using 2 hands. So hey, let's cook okra soup from the scratch. Here is my fire, turn it on. Yeah, so it's going to be 9. Right, so it's boiling, so let's start cooking. So I'll wait for a few seconds for the water to start get boiling, and then I'll start stirring the okra just to make sure it's all ready. Yeah. Right, so what I need to do as well is I need to start getting my fish ready. Yeah. As you can see, there's my fish, and there's my onions. That's my palm nut soup. You can see the fish I'm using mackerel today. Yeah, so you can see, and there's my chili sauce right there. So yeah, so let's start cooking okra soup. So as you can see, I'm stirring it now because I want to make sure it's all starchy. Yeah, you can feel the starch already. Yeah. All right, keep stirring it because you have to make sure it's very starchy. Yeah, because if it's not starchy, then you're going to get food poisoning. Because yeah, you know what I mean. Yeah. Come on, okra soup. Very starchy. Yeah, let me leave it on for a few minutes. Now I want to try to get my fish ready. I'm trying to do things like trying to get everything down at the same time, and it's not that difficult holding a camera in the other hand and trying to cut fish and onions in the other hand. So it's very, very difficult, you know. They say no pain, no gain, so you know what I mean. So fish is ready. So now you can see now the okra stew is boiling. I mean the okra soup, look, it's getting starchy now. Yeah. And leave it on. You don't need to cover the okra because once it's covered, then you're going to spoil the I don't know, the originality of the okra. Look, now you can see the little fingers, these fingers, so looking yummy. Yeah, let me take the camera back a little bit because of the smoke. Yeah, you can see it's all looking good. Let me leave it on for a few sec. And you can see I have my grilled chilies down there, and I have my onions right here, and this is my palm nut oil, and this is my fish, and this is my Scotch Bonnets, and I'm going to use smoked mackerel. You can see that? Yeah, there they are. Alright. Oh my god, look at that. Cooking okra from the scratch. Okay, since it's boiled now, I'm going to add my chili sauce. Yeah, actually I'll add my oil first. Yeah, then Right, so I need to hold my camera differently and then mix it with oil. Now I'm going to stir, yeah, so you can see it's going to look very red because of the oil, yeah. Now what I'm going to do next, oh my god, look at that, it's looking delicious. So now I'm going to get my Scotch bonnet, my chili sauce. It's already in here, so you can see, yeah, it's all ready. So I'm going to mix it. There you go. Yeah, it's all in there. Stir it a little bit, because I want the juice, everything to be in there. So I'm not going to get any water in because I want more starch of the okra. So I'm going to leave it for a few seconds. Then I'm going to add my onions. Yeah, there is the onions. Yeah, there is the onions. So what I'm going to do now is I'll get my cubes. I'm going to use a Ghanaian cube called Onga. I'm going to use 2 of them. Yeah. Here is the cubes. You can see them right here. Here is Onga. I'm going to use 2 of them. Oh my god, now the okra is boiling, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn the fire down a little bit, yeah, to probably 3, yeah, and then I'm going to stir it a little bit more, yeah. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get my fish in. That's the first one. And that's my second one. And that's the one. And that's fish. So now I'm going to stir. I'm going to stir. I'm going to stir. And stir it and make sure the ingredients, the okra gets into the fish. Yeah, that's it. Okra soup in 1 minute is done. I'm ready. What I'm going to do now is just to add a little bit juice of water. Now we're done. Yep. So my okra soup is almost done to eat. Yeah. So if you need any help preparing this yummy, delicious food, feel free to look at my channel, inbox me, or follow me on Instagram, Mensa Messy Kitchen. Thank you very much, Mensa Messy Kitchen. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this delicious meal. Thank you very much. Keep following my channel, subscribe to the channel, and you'll see a lot more videos, more traditional cooking food. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.